Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Painting Han. Today I'll be painting magic mushroom in watercolor, and I will take you through the steps to paint this. And I will tell you, we practiced this mushroom with a pencil in the last video. If there's anyone who has not watched yet, go to watch it and follow my demo. I will link the video in the description box below. Okay, and I already sketched in advance. I have the basic structure and composition of drawing. Okay, and I will be using this paint: scalet, burnt sienna, pyrrole rubin by Holbein, and vermilion green tip by Shimike, and white for scales. And brushes, two of Raphael brushes and Gennard brush. Let's get started. I'm starting by washing the mushroom area of the paper, and next take a sort of a watery reddish orange. Okay, this color, put on the top of the cap area. If you can, leave some negative space on the cap. This is the first step. Second step is take the mixture of colors, scarlet lake and pyrrole rubin, put on the largest cap spot area, and little bit of tilt the paper for water goes to top side. Okay, and slightly blend the color. Now I'm using tip of the brush. Take some very thick consistency of color, the mixture of pyrrole rubin and burnt sienna, and dotting on the cap for making scales and giving some depth. Now I'm using a very thick consistency now. At this point, I'm using my brush without too much water and using the tip of the brush. When we dotting, we should push quiet, lightly and softly. Okay. Next, it takes time to move on to the next mushroom. We are going to use the same colors and same process of painting as we painted the first one. So apply water and take some watercolor, put on the cap area. Next, take a sort of dark red, add on the cap area. Finally, take a fairly thick consistency of reddish brown and put on the cap to make some dots. And on the third mushroom, we are going to use the same process of the painting. First, put a little bit of watercolor, and next, middle of the color put on there. And now third step is the take some very thick of the consistency of brownish reddish color and put on there. Make sure some crooked round with the thick consistency of color. Make sure some scales with thin brush. Next, draw some stems with the mixture of vermilion green dip and burnt sienna. So take some very watery grayish brown color. Draw some grills underneath the cap area. Take some dark brownish color, put on the grill area. We need to give them some depth. So light is the right top side, so left lower side is the darkest area. So we make sure the area little bit dark consistency of color put on there. Now I'm using very tiny brush for the tiny line, thin lines. Also, we need to draw some bubbles and something on the stem. I'm not too familiar with this subject, but then mushroom, especially red mushroom, it has such a dreamy fairy tale feels to it, right? So I'm really enjoying now. I'm using the mixture of the pyrrole rubin mix the vermilion green deep color. Give them some depth. Move to the ground. First take a watery green and cover foreground now. We are using the whole brush. Push firmly and drag toward the right in a shot. And draw some grasses and bushes. And I want to use a splatter on the foreground. So using a reddish color. Actually, I want to get a natural look. Lastly, for the scale, I'm going to use white watercolor paint. If you have a white acrylic paint, it will be okay. It is really up to you, okay? You can use it. Lastly, in detail area, draw some grass and bushes on the foreground area using tiny brushes. And we are finally done with this painting. I hope you guys enjoyed this one and learned something new. Thank you for watching till the end. Don't forget subscribe, hit the like button, and I will see you at the next one. Bye!